We have a 1/4 cup of chicken stock, garlic ginger paste, 1/2 teaspoon, or actually that's a teaspoon. Three tablespoons of vinegar, tablespoon of soy sauce, this is a tablespoon of Sriracha and a tablespoon of Cholula. Cholula is for taste and the Sriracha is for heat. We're going to bring this up to a simmer. And we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of honey. You can use sugar if you want to. I just happen to have honey available. Give this a mix. Let's taste it to see if it needs any more sweetener. Just a little bit more. Now to thicken this up, I'm going to take a tablespoon of cornstarch with a little bit of water to make a slurry. Now you can add red pepper flakes to this if you would like. I think I like. Just a couple shakes in there. And that is General Tso's.